Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian markets were mostly higher on Monday, with Japanese stocks boosted by yen, which weakened on reports of who was likely to run the Bank of Japan, while markets across the region mouthed slower growth in China's manufacturing activity. The US dollar moved sharply higher against the yen on reports that the Japanese government plans to nominate Haruhiko Kuroda for the governorship of the central bank. The Bank of Japan governor nomination pick is expected to be presented to Parliament in the middle of the week, where it will require the approval of both houses. The weakness in the yen set the scene for a strong rise in Japanese stocks, with the Nikkei up 2.3%, rising above the 11,600 mark for the first time since September 29, 2008. In Hong Kong, the Hang Seng Index pared some of its earlier gains and was last flat, while the Shanghai Composite was 0.3% higher. The US dollar was recently at 94.06 yen, up from 93.40 late Friday in New York, but down from the 94.77 high reached early Monday, the pair's highest level since May 2010. Jumping across to Europe, and the shared currency continued to trade close to its lowest level since January, reaching a bottom of 1.3143. In figures released overnight Friday, German business confidence surprised investors with a positive sentiment, running counter to a string of disappointing Eurozone economic announcements. Monday is a light day for scheduled economic news, leaving two updates from the US as the main course for the trading session: the Chicago Fed National Activity Index and the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Survey. US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Survey 15:30 GMT. No one will confuse economic activity in the state of Texas as a reliable bellwether of the US macro trend in any given month. But it is hard not to notice that the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index recently has been tracking changes in the ISM Manufacturing Index, a widely followed proxy of the US economy's pulse. The two benchmarks have moved virtually as one over the last 4 months. It was the latest market news provided by IKOFX. Goodbye.